In this segment, I'm going to be submitting my presentation on Anglo-Oceanic or Asiatic cosmos. We now know that Zimbabwe was colonized by British Empire, not by coincidence, but to fulfill Daniel's prophecy of end-time colonialism, depicted as clay and iron fingers of the feet of the dreamt might structure by Nebuchadnezzar in Daniel's prophecy. In the context of Zimbabwe, we had Johane Rhodes coming 1890 after Cardinal Forerunner Rudd for Rudd concession, who followed Anglicanism vessel with the Afro-Jesuit Dr. Bernard Mzeko of Anglican 1886. Johanic contingent normally move as triumvirates, political Rhodes Anglican religious Moffat and Afro-Jesuit Bernard Mzek as representing traditional religion. Following the successful commissioning of Mutapa as Jesuit state 1560 by Father Gonzalo das Rivera from Tens Ignacio. At this juncture, 2023, it is imperative that the Zimbabwe clay and Anglo-iron in Daniel's prophecy be reconciled following the restoration of cardinal pledges, followed by a restoration of cardinal pledges from both sides. English iron depicts Japhetic Shekinah fatherhood mighty, with Shona clay depicting Shekinah matriarch and motherhood proxy of Oceanic Shekinah motherhood in England. 1890, we had a native protection order signed for by Johane Rhodes as representing the Japhetic might of royalty. And the pioneer column when in Chivu, England was given statehood charter from Queen Elizabeth, and their charter was ratified by Mbuya Nehanda, a contingent in Africa Unity Square of traditional religion in Daba. Remember the 1980 event when Prince Charles took a Union Jack back to England with a cardinal subject of Chihera Murenga or Chimurenga, replacing it with a sacred cloth of Mbuya Nehanda with the cardinal connotations constituting our national flagship. Today we are supposed to gather as cardinal subjects and claim our cardinal seat at Commonwealth, courtesy of our cardinal license taken there by our marine mighty of Queen Elizabeth. We have got an obligation to meet, which obligation is to go to Britain and reclaim our sacred stuff, normally called license, after realizing Britain is our partner in Daniel's prophecy. Britain is Japhetic iron. After Britain was given independence from Roman Empire. Roman Empire then is the chief iron. After the death of Roman Empire, it remanifested into kingdoms. You already know 10 kingdoms formed out of Roman Empire, with the 3 of them dying a natural death, remaining the 7. Within the 7, the 7th one, we had another one which is a religious kingdom, a pro-religious kingdom of Vatican, which means to date we have got 8 kingdoms left out of 10 kingdoms of Roman manifestation into the last kingdoms as prophesied by Daniel after Nebuchadnezzar had dreamt a big structure with a golden head, and the chest was brass, and the stomach was womb was silver, then the legs and from the hips were iron, with its feet having fingers mixed with clay and iron, depicting as depicting colonialism, as we now know that clay, in our case, clay is Zimbabwe and Britain is iron. Since Britain has a Roman Empire instincts, political instincts, which means they are ruling using a Roman template. So we are also using what we call Roman Dutch law. It's a long story, but what we need to understand is Zimbabwe is clay and Britain is iron. It's a significant fulfillment of Daniel's prophecy in that regard. I thank you, to be continued when and if necessary.